friends, welcome to PUNAM'S classes. So today's topic is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of rational number. So here for addition, when we have the same denominator, we will simply copy the denominator here. Like here you can see I have taken one example. It is 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5. The denominators are same. Here 5 here also, in 1 by 5 also, and 2 by 5 also it is 5 here. So we will simply copy down the denominator as 5 and again we will rewrite the numerator as it is, like 1 with its sign, 1 plus 2, that is 1 plus 2 will give us 3 and 5 will be written as it is. So the result is 3 by 5. Now let's come ahead. This is very easy when we have the same denominator. What to do in case when we have a different denominator? So when we have a different denominator, the first thing that should click in our mind is that we should take the LCM of the denominators. So let us take one example here. Here I have taken minus 1 by 6 plus 3 by 8. We need to add it. One is a negative rational number, another is a positive one. We need to add them. So you can see here, friends, that the denominators of both the numbers are different. Here it is 6 and here it is 8. So what is the first thing that we need to do? We need to take out the LCM of it. So 6 and 8, when we have taken out the LCM, it is coming 24. Now the next process, the next step which you should follow is we have to make the denominators equal to the LCM. Now here it is 1 by 6. So what we have, minus 1 by 6. So what we will multiply with 6 to get 24? Obviously we need to multiply 4 here. So when we multiplied 6 into 4, we need to multiply the same number in the numerator. So it is minus 1 into 4. Similarly, we will just see what number we need to multiply with 8 to make it 24. Here also we will multiply 3 and here in the numerator also we need to multiply the same number. You have to keep in mind one thing, friends, that whatever number you are multiplying here to make it equal to the LCM, the same number you need to multiply in the numerator as well. So here we are getting minus 4 by 24 and here we are getting 9 by 24. Now here after this you have seen that the denominators are coming same. As soon as we get the denominator same, we need to copy down the denominator and we will just rewrite the numerator with its sign. Now here it is having minus 4 plus 9. Minus 4 plus 9. Now you can see we have to subtract 4 from 9. So it is 9 minus 4, it is 5. And we know it that plus minus will be minus and sign of the greater number, that is 9 is having a positive sign, so it is having positive 5. So the final answer is 5 by 24. Now here coming to the next sum, which is minus 1 by 6 plus 3 by 4 plus 7 by 10. It was when we are having two numbers, rational numbers. What in case if we have three rational numbers? Here also we will follow the same steps. Again we have to, you can see the denominators are all different. Here it is 6, here it is 4, here it is 10. So what we can do? We can simply take the LCM of the denominator, that is 6, 4 and 10. When we have taken out the denominators, LCM of the denominator, it is coming 60. Now the next step which we should follow is we have to make every denominator, the denominators of each rational number equal to 60, which is our LCM. So here what we need to multiply here to get 60? It is 6 into 10, that is 60. So same number we need to multiply in the numerator as well. So minus 1 into 10 will give us minus 10. Now here the next number is 3 by 4. So what we are going to multiply with 4 to make it 60? Obviously 15. So we need to multiply the same number in the numerator, that is 15. 15 3s are 45. Now here what we need to multiply here with 10 in 7 by 10, what we have to multiply with 10? So we will multiply 6 over here. So the same number 6 we need to multiply in the numerator, that is 7 6 are 42. Now we are having the same denominator. Again friends, when we get the same denominator, we need to copy down the denominator as it is. We will write 60 over here and we will copy down every numerator with its sign. So here we are having minus 10 plus 45 plus 42. So here you can see this is in minus. So we will simply add them both. It will be 87. 5 plus 2, that's 7, and 4 plus 4 is 8. Now again plus minus minus and sign of the greater number. So 87 minus 10 will give us 77 and sign would be positive. So here we are having 77 by 60, which is our final answer. Now coming to the third number, sum. In this sum, I have taken the example like 4 by 5 plus 2 by, minus 2 by 7. You can see here one is positive and the other is negative. Here also you can see that both the denominators are different. So what we can do? We can simply take the LCM of the denominators, that is 5 and 7. When we have taken the LCM of the denominator, it is coming 35. Now what we are supposed to do? We have to make the denominators equal to 35. So what are we going to multiply with 5? 7. 5 7s are 35. So the same number has to be multiplied in the numerator, that is 4 7s are 28. Now here you can see friends, it is in minus, it is in plus. So we can easily convert it here, plus minus minus. We can write here minus, plus minus minus. So we will convert the sign here, it will be minus. Then 7 5s are 35. So same number we need to multiply here in the numerator as well. So 2 5s are 10. Now as soon as we get the same denominator, we can just copy the denominator as it is and we will copy down the numerator with its sign, that is 28 minus 10 will give us 18, which is 18 by 35. This was all for addition. Now let's come back to subtraction. In subtraction, what do we have? I have taken one example. First is subtract 3 by 5 from 1 by 4. Like friends, if somebody asks you, like you need to subtract 2 from 4. So basically what we do, we just write 4 minus 2 and we get 2. Here in rational numbers, if the question is subtract 3 by 5 from 1 by 4, then what we will do, we will write 1 by 4 first and then we need to subtract. So there is a minus sign for subtraction. Which rational number I need to subtract? 3 by 5. So I will write 3 by 5 over here. So it is 1 by 4 first. From 1 by 4 we need to subtract 3 by 5. Now again in this case what we will do, we are seeing that the denominators are equal. We cannot do any like subtraction or addition, anything. So what is the first thing that we need to follow here? Again we need to make the denominators same. So we need to take the LCM of the denominators, that is 4 and 5. When we have taken the LCM of the denominator, that is coming 20. Now the next step which we should follow is we have to make the denominator equal to 20. So here it is 4 into 5, it is 20. Here also we need to multiply 1 into 5, that is 5. Minus, as because the sign is minus here, so we need to follow the same sign, minus here. 5 into 4. 5 into 4 is 20. Again in the numerator also we will write 3 into 4, that is 12. So here we are having 5 by 20 minus 12 by 20. Now we need to follow the same rule here. Like we will just copy the denominator, that is 20, and we will copy down the numerator with its sign, that is 5 minus 12. 5 minus 12, you can see again plus minus. Minus means from 12 we need to subtract 5 here. So 12 minus 5 would be 7, but the sign will be of greater number and the greater number is 12 and the sign it is having is minus. So we will have minus 7 by 20. Now I have taken one more example over here. It is given minus 3 by 8 we need to subtract from minus 5 by 6. So again I need to write minus 5 by 6 first and then this sign is for the subtraction. Which rational number we need to subtract? We need to subtract minus 3 by 8. That's a negative rational number. Now here we can change the sign here first. Here you can see it is minus, it is also minus. So we will write it. Minus 5 by 6 will be written as it is. Minus minus will change into plus. Minus 5 by 6 plus 3 by 8. Now again the denominators are different. So we will just take the LCM to make it equal. We have taken the LCM of the denominator, which is 24. So now we will make the denominators equal to 64. What we need to multiply here with 6? We are multiplying 6 into 4, that is coming 24. And here we need to multiply the same number, minus 5 into 4, that is 20. Here in 8 we have multiplied with 3. In the numerator also we need to multiply with 3. So here we are getting minus 20 by 24 plus 9 by 24. Now, as soon as we get the same denominators, we can write the same denominators, and the numerators we need to rewrite along with sign. So here we are getting minus 20 plus 9. Then plus minus minus and sign of the greater number. 20 minus 9 would be 11, and sign of the greater number, that 20 is having negative sign. So the sign should be negative. So it is minus 11 by 24. Now the next topic is multiplication. So here what we will do, friends, here you can see if you have two rational number a by b and c by d, then we simply have to find the product of the numerator and then product divided by product of the denominator. Here you can see I have taken one example here. You all can see. Find the product 4 by 5 into 3 by 7. So what we can do here? We will just multiply the numerator with the other numerator of the rational number. So 4 into 3 and the denominator with the denominator of the other rational number. That is 5 into 7. So we are having 4 into 3, that is 12. And 5 into 7 is 35. So we are having 12 by 35. And we can see that we cannot cancel these numbers 12 and 35 with any number because they both are not coming in anyone's table. Now here I have taken another example. Like here minus 6 by 11 is given. We have to multiply with minus 33 by 22. So first thing which should click in your mind is that which numbers we can simplify here, we can just cancel. So here we can see with 2 we can cancel these. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So 11 2s are 22. So when we will cancel it, here it will be 3 and here it will be 11. Similarly we can see here 11 1s are 11 and 11 3s are 33. So here we in the numerator we are having minus 3 into minus 3 and in the denominator we are having 1 into 11. So minus 3 into minus 3 will give us 9. Why? Because minus minus the result is always in positive. So minus 3 into minus 3 will be equal to 9 and 1 into 11 will be 11. So our final answer is 9 by 11. Now coming to the division part. In the division part, when we have two rational number a by b and c by d such that c by d is not equal to 0, then a by b divided by c by d should be equal to a by b into d by c. Here d by c means it is the reciprocal of c by d. Like if I write any number as 1 by 2, if I ask you what is the reciprocal of this number, so the reciprocal would be 2 by 1. If I write any number as 3 by 4, what is the reciprocal of this number? It is 4 by 3. Okay. Now here division rule is like this. If we are given the rational number like minus 16 by 35, we need to divide by 14 by minus 25. So what we will do here? We will write the first rational number as it is. We are not going to change it. We will write the first rational number as it is, which is minus 16 by 35. Now division sign will change into multiplication sign, and the next rational number will be in reciprocal. Whatever be the denominator, it will come in numerator part, and whatever is the numerator, it will come in the denominator part. So here we are having minus 16 by 35 into, that is multiply, minus 25 by 14. So here we are having minus 8 into minus 5, and in the denominator we are having 7 into 7. Now you can see here how we got 8 and 5 here. We have simplified it. Like 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16. Now here 5 7s are 35 and 5 5s are 25. So here we are having minus 8 into minus 5, and here in the denominator we are having 7 into 7. Now minus 8 into minus 5, first we need to multiply the numbers, that is 8 into 5 will give us 40, and minus minus will be equal to plus. So this result sign would be positive. Here 7 7s are 49, so it is in the denominator 49 we have. So final rational number is 40 by 49. Now I have taken another example, which is I have to divide 48 by minus 12 by 7. Again we will rewrite the first number as it is. It is 48, so I don't have to make any change. I have to write 48 only. And the division sign will change into multiplication sign. The next rational number will be reciprocal. Here in the numerator you have minus 12, so it will come in the denominator part, and the 7 which is there in the denominator will come in the numerator part. So we are having 48 into 7 by 12. Now you can see, friends, that 12 and 48 can be cancelled. 12 ones are 12 and 12 fours are 48. Now here we are having in the numerator 4 into 7. So it will be 4 into 7. And in the denominator we are having only minus 1. So it is minus 1. So when we will multiply 4 into 7, we are getting 28. And in the denominator it is minus 1. So I already explained in my previous video that we cannot take minus in the denominator. So we will just shift it in the numerator part, and we can write 28 by minus 1 as minus 28. So here is the concept for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of rational number. Thank you so much for watching.